This is Coursework 2 task 1, and the first question is, as a root user we have to create a new user using user add command. So let's create a new user using user add hyphen m hyphen d slash home slash. Here we have created a user named Rojit. Let's see, let's verify that. As we can see, the user has been created successfully, and we have to add the newly created user to sudoers list or sudoers file. So let's add it. User mode ag sudo visit. Question is to change the user cell to G cell. Now change this will change the cell of the user to GSH. We can verify it. Still hyphen and we can see that the cell has been changed to GSH. Now the third question is to switch to the newly created user. Switch to Rojit. New name hyphen and we have to go to our home directories. Now let's see the current user as well as home as well as current directory in a single command. And the next question is to go to the desktop directory. So let's go to desktop, and in desktop directory we have to create a 15 files named file1, file onto the file a and file and file space 2. This will create of 15 files. 15 files had been created in my desktop directory. And the next question is to open the Vim and write this is from Vim, then save to a file name Vim. So let's open Vim file, insert, this is from Vim, right quit, ls terminal Vim file cat Vim file. It's done, and we have to list all the files starting with letter and ending in number. So ls-l d a to z or a to z others and 0 to 9. This command will list all the files that each start with letter and ends in a number. Let's see it. The next question is to remove or delete the file named print file which we created earlier with a prompt message for deletion. Yes, and without using the interactive file. Let's do it. The command is this. It will prompt me if I want to delete the file. I'll simply say no. It error means the file wasn't deleted. Let's see if the file is in here or not. It's still here. Now let's run that command again. This time I'll choose yes. Enter. Success. Now let's see if file has been deleted or not. Yes, the file has been deleted successfully. Question is to list all the files with digit as first and fifth as a character. ls-d 0 to 9 and fifth as a character. Here the 123 file has first letter as a digit and fifth as a character. And the next question is to store the first 5 lines of the /sc shadow to a file named password.txt. Let's see /sc/shadow and 5 /sc/shadow cat shadow cat. This is the last 5 line of /sc/shadow file. Now let's redirect it to password.txt file. ls password.txt. The file has been created. Let's cat that .txt. The last 5 line of /sc/shadow file has been stored to the password.txt file. The next question is to log in as cell and create a new group eth33 and 2 new user using add user command. Let's create a group first. Let's choose the user. cd sudo group add eth33. The group has been created. Let's verify it. /group tell mansion. Yes, the group has been created. Now let's create a user using add user command. Let's name it Ram. Password and let's create another user. Sudo add user. Let's create Hari. Password default. And now let's add both newly created user to the newly created group. Sudo usermod ag 8433 ram id yes, it has been append to ethical 33 group. Now let's add hurry to ethical 33, same as above. So mod -ag ethical 33 hurry id hurry. Let's write something as a root in the home directory of the previously created group. cd/home/git. Let's write something and save it as msg.txt. Let's long list that file msg.txt. It has been created. Now let's change the group and owner of the file. ls-l msg.txt. sudo change the owner to previously created that and write it msg.txt and change the group. Sudo change group to ethical ets33 msg.txt ls-l msg.txt. Its group and owner has been changed. Now let's change the permission of msg.txt. Sudo so that the user group members can read only but others can read as well as write the file. 046 msg.txt ls-l msg.txt. The permission has been changed. Now let's verify that by switching between users. Switch user ram password ls-l msg.txt. We can read but we cannot msg.txt. Permission denied. As you can see that the permission has been set successfully.